Hello children, in this video I will explain you what is SCF and how to find out the SCF. The full form of SCF is highest common factor. It is also called greatest common divisor. The short form is GCD. Now what is SCF? SCF of two or more numbers is the greatest number that divides each of the numbers exactly without leaving any remainder. There are four methods to find out SCF. The first method is factorization method. The second method is prime factorization method. Third method is common division method. And fourth method is division method. Out of these four methods, the first two methods normally used for finding out the SCF of small numbers, two-digit numbers. And the method 3 and 4 we normally use to find out the SCF of large numbers like 3-digit numbers or 4-digit numbers like that. So first of all we will see SCF by factorization method. How to find out the SCF by factorization method. There are some steps. First step, find all the factors of each of the numbers. Second step, find their common factors. And third step, the largest common factor is SCF. Now look at the example. Find the SCF of 24 and 32. Here, first of all the factors of 24s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Similarly, 32, all the factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. If we compare the factors of 24 and factors of 32, we can find out there are four common factors 1, 2, 4 and 8. So common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8, and out of these four common factors the highest common factor is 8. So SCF is 8. Now see the second method, SCF by prime factorization method. Here the steps are find the prime factorization of each of the number. Second step, find the common prime factors. And third step, the product of common prime factors is the SCF. Now look at the example. Find the SCF of 45 and 60 by prime factorization method. First four prime numbers we know that 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now one side we will find out the prime factorization of 45 and other side we will find out the prime factorization of 60. Now, first of all, 45, according to the rule of divisibility by 5, we know that 45 is divisible by 5. Here, 5, we are using 5 is a prime number. When we divide this 45 by 5, we get 9. 9 is divisible by this prime number 3. So, 3 3s are 9. Again, 3 3s are 1. So, what is the prime factorization of 45? It is 5 into 3 into 3. In this side, 60. It is an even number divisible by 2. So 2 30 just 60. 30 again divisible by 2. When we divide getting 15. 15 it is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 5 we have to divide by 5. Finally we are getting 1. So the prime factorization of 60 it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. The product of common prime factor we have to find out to get the SCF. So what is the common prime factor? 5 into 3. Here also we are getting 3 into 5 means 5 into 3. Therefore SCF it is 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Now see the third method. SCF by common division method. The third method steps are first step arrange the given numbers in a line. Then the second step divide the numbers by the lowest common prime factor. Again prime factor. Third step, repeat the process till there are no common prime number to divide by. And fourth step, the product of the divisors is the SCF. Now see the example. Find the SCF of 42, 70 and 112 by common division method. We know that first four prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Here we have to arrange the numbers in a line 42, 70 and 112. All these three numbers are even number, so they are divisible by this first prime number 2. When we divide these three numbers by 2, we are getting here 21, 35 and 56. This 21, 35 and 56, all the three numbers are divisible by the prime number 7. So we have to use 7 as a divisor. 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35 and 7 8s are 56. Now what we are getting? 3, 5 and 8. So 3 and 5 are prime number and 8 is a composite number, and we cannot divide these three numbers by a common prime number. So therefore we have to find out the product of this prime factor, that is the SCF. Therefore SCF equal to 2 into 7, that is 14. Now the SCF by division method. It is the most important method and most useful method. SCF of two large numbers. What are the steps? See the steps. Steps 1. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. Here we have to divide the larger number by the smaller number. Second step, divide the divisor by the remainder. When you divide the larger number by the smaller number, you will get one remainder. Now the remainder we have to use as the divisor, and we have to divide the previous divisor by this remainder. Third step, we have to repeat the process of dividing the previous divisor by the remainder till 0 is obtained as the remainder. Okay, that means the division we have to finish when we get the remainder as 0. And the fourth step, the last divisor, is the SCF. It will be more clear if you see the example. Look at here. Find the SCF of 144 and 312 by division method. Look at here. The smaller number is 144, larger one is 312. Therefore, 312 will be divided by 144. When we divide 144 into 2 is equal to 288, the remainder is 24. Now we have to use this remainder as the divisor, and we have to divide this previous divisor, 144. Here you have to be very cautious. Remainder will be used as the divisor, and we have to divide this previous divisor now. So therefore previous divisor will be written here, remainder 24. When we divide this 144 by this 24, we will get 24 into 6 is equal to 124. Now the remainder is 0. That means the division is completed, and the last divisor is the SCF. So 24 is the last divisor, that gives us 0 as the remainder. Therefore 24 is the SCF. Now see what to do when we have to find out the SCF of three large numbers. SCF of three large numbers we can find out by SCF of two numbers and the third number. Okay, so first of all we have to find out SCF of any two numbers. Look at here the example. Find the SCF of 270, 945 and 2175 by division method. So here we have to select first of all two number. Suppose we are selecting here 270 and 945. So first of all, in the first step, we will find out the SCF of 270 and 945. Here 270 is the smaller number and 945 is the larger number. So 945 will be divided by 270. When we divide, we are getting 270 into 3 is equal to 810. 135 is the remainder. Now this remainder will be the divisor, and the previous divisor we have to divide. So 270 divided by 135, 135 2s are 270. No remainder, remainder is 0. Therefore division is completed, and the last divisor is the SCF of these two numbers. We can conclude SCF of 270 and 945 is equal to 135. As we are getting, this is the last divisor. Now the third number is 175. Therefore, we now find out the SCF of this 135 and this third number 2175. Here this one is bigger and this one is smaller. So we have to use 135 as the divisor to divide 2175. When we divide it, first of all 135 1 ja 135. After subtraction we are getting 82 as the remainder. Placing down this 5, 825 is the target. Now 135 into 6 is equal to 810. The remainder is 15. Now this remainder will be used as the divisor to divide this previous divisor 135. When we divide this 135 by 15, we are getting that 15 9 ja 135. So remainder is 0. That means the division is completed and we are getting the SCF of 135 and 2175 is the last divisor 15. So it is 15. And finally, we can say that the SCF of these three numbers 270, 945 and 2175 is equal to 15. So this way we can find out the SCF of large numbers by using this division method. I think it is clear to you. If you do more sums, it will be more clear to you. You will get the classwork in PDF. Follow the rule and improve your concept. Thank you.